In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to print your document correctly using your Mac's built-in print dialog. First, open the Google Docs document you want to print. Make sure the document has finished loading before moving to the next step. Now move your cursor to the top left corner of the Google Docs page. Make sure you're clicking the File menu inside the Google Docs window, not the File menu in the Mac menu bar at the very top of your screen. Then click File. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the menu. Then click Print. You can also press Command+P on your keyboard to open the print options. If Google Docs shows its own print page, look toward the bottom of the screen. Then click Print using System Dialog. This opens your MacBook's built-in print window, where you'll have access to all of your printer settings. Before printing, select your printer if needed. You can also adjust options like the number of copies, page range, orientation, or paper size. Once everything looks correct, click the Print button. Your Google Docs document will now begin printing. If this tutorial helped you print your document successfully, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. I upload simple step-by-step MacBook, Google Docs, and tech tutorials to help you solve problems quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.